Oh, snap! That's how we call it.
Ooh, snap.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
What's up, everybody?
Good morning.
Welcome to another year here in the Pacific Northwest. Life in PNW, and it's sunny, but it's too cold. It's like, what is the temperature? Like 30 degrees?
But it's sunny.
Alright, so we're heading to get food. We're gonna go to Filipino authentic food. We get sisig. And
Good craving.
yep, so see ya!
One step ahead of one step ahead of me. One step is all I have to take.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. On this day in 1987, Aretha Franklin became the first woman admitted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
Alexa,
Franklin
stop. After we bought our food, we just decided to go home and eat here because there's a lot of rice. So just eat. Alright.
So today, we're supposed to go to the park, but someone changed their mind after we got done eating. He's probably full that he said he's lazy and he wants to sleep. So, we're supposed to go now, so you could go to the park. But someone is lazy.
You. Who's that?
And he goes, we'll probably just stay home and sleep.
No, because we're going to Target later for your shopping. Oh!
No, I just need to go get something. Can you please put it underneath where I hide it?
You know they say time is money. The money only buys you time. Whether we lose or win, we'll definitely lose our minds. I wish I didn't know now.
Alright. Movie marathon. I've been looking for you for like an hour already. I've been calling you.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Calling only 2.
So we're here at Target, Ode's favorite store, and we've been here for like an hour already. But Ode is still like having a great time. Ooh, it's cold as. Holy crap, it's so cold.
we're gonna do a Target haul. Creamer, salad, oatmeal, this plastic cover thingy for my mason jars. Look, I got this for $1. And this pickle snacks. It's my first time going to try this. Let's see how that goes. This wonton strips. And of course, can't forget this cream cheese and mayonnaise and more mason jars. There you go. So I only got it for $1 each. And then I got this Ziploc boxes. I am going to try prepping my lunch every day. So I just bought 4. We'll see how I'll do, and then I'll get more. Oh, by the way, salt. So that's my Target haul, and I'll show you guys later how I will do my meal prep, next meal prep. And I got this as well. It's a banner gift tag. I'm not gonna use it as a gift tag. I'm gonna use it as a labeler for my totes. I've been organizing lately. I'll show you guys probably in another vlog or maybe later. So see you guys later. Bye. Hi! So tonight I am going to try prepping for my lunch. My lunch at work. So let's see how I'll do on this. So I have some salad right here. And then I'm gonna put the wonton, pickles, and I'll put it in this Ziploc box. Let's get started.
Meal prep.
Let's see how far I'll go on this. Oh my, I can't believe it. It won't fit! Ah! Look at that. Can you show them, please? Look at this. It's just perfect. Please, Nyet.
What?
Show.
Show. How about mine?
Nyet, you have free food at your workplace.
It looks good.
3. Oh, why did I open every single one?
So how about the protein?
It's okay.
No protein?
Yeah, it's okay. Huwag nang maarte. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you guys next time on our next vlog. I'm gonna continue packing for my lunch. Yay! Bam!
Alright, thank you for watching. Aloha!
Bye!
Bye!